In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to your Stripe account. Whether you're new to Stripe or just looking to expand your payment options, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and comprehensively, ensuring you're all set up in no time. Now, let's get started. The first place you want to head to is your Stripe dashboard. Think of this as the control center for all your Stripe activities. To find it, simply log into your Stripe account and navigate to the main dashboard page. This is where you'll see an overview of your account, transactions, and various settings. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard is a good habit since it's the hub for all your Stripe-related tasks. Once you're at the dashboard, the next step is to locate the settings menu. The settings are your go-to place for managing your account preferences and integrations, including payment methods. You'll typically find this option represented by a gear icon, often tucked away in the corner of your dashboard. Give that a click and you'll be directed to your account settings. After accessing the settings, you'll need to scroll down until you see the payment details option. This section is crucial as it houses all the information related to the different methods of payment you offer your customers. Clicking on this link will take you to a list of available payment methods. Now, this is where Klarna comes into play. Within the list of payment methods, look for the Klarna card option. This is the point where you'll set up Klarna as an additional payment method, allowing your customers more flexibility at checkout. Once you find Klarna, click on it, and a form will appear prompting you to fill out your Klarna card details. Ensure that you have the correct information handy. It'll ask for specifics like your Klarna account credentials, so check that everything is accurate to ensure a smooth setup process. By following these steps, you unlock the ability to offer your customers another convenient payment method, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially boosting your sales. Klarna is especially popular for its buy now, pay later service, adding a significant value proposition for those hesitant about upfront payments. As you go through this setup, remember to double-check each entry and setting to avoid any issues down the line. Once you've completed these steps, your Stripe account will now include Klarna as a payment option, making you more versatile and accommodating in meeting customer needs. That's all for today's guide on adding Klarna to Stripe. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. If you